Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make a resume on Overleaf in 2025. Overleaf is a very great website. It has a lot of templates for you to use, like books, like calendars, format letters, assignment, newsletter, poster, and a lot more. Today I will only show you how to create CV and resume. I will back to the home page. In the home page, you can click template right here, or you click new project and click CV and resume. It's similar to the previous page. You click CV and resume. Now you can browse for many great design templates. I will pick a template for myself. Like this one, I will pick this template. Now if the template is suitable for you, you click open as template. Okay, and when you open, you will see the code editor in the left and your CV resume will be in the right. To make everything easier, you can click Visual Editor. You can click Show Document right here. And if you want to edit something like your name here, PhD, you will scroll down and search for that. Right here, you see your name here, PhD. I will change to my name. Email, X, LinkedIn, and website. You can fill all the information right here. You can do the same with all the information you want to fill in. When you finish, you click Recompile right here. Okay, you will see the information that you fill in will show in here. Colin, TechHub, my email, my X account, my LinkedIn, and my website. You can do the same with any information you want here. Okay, that is all my videos. I hope my videos will make you easier to create a CV resume on Overleaf. Hope you will give me a like, subscribe, and drop a comment below what topic should I do next. I will see you in my next videos.